what can we do? I mean, as in like they are talking about the cube root of this x, right? So we'll look at this. What will be the cube root of x? So we'll say that okay, this is of this form. So cube root of x will be x plus root y, right? So we'll just use this x plus root y and then back calculate. So not x plus y, call it a plus root b, and then we do this cube. This will be a cube plus whatever this is b root b plus 3 a root b, and this will be a plus root b. Then I will get a cube plus 3ab and plus 3a square root b plus b root b, right? So this 3a cube plus 3ab would be equal to 10. So we'll see that whether something we are getting or not. A cube plus 3ab equals to 10. And when we are comparing this, then we are getting 3a square plus b common. And this is root b is equal to 6 root 3. So when we are comparing, we can say that b is actually 3. If I take this, and 3a square plus b is actually 6, right? We'll try putting the value of this over there and then see whether this will make sense or not. So root b, which we were saying that is 3. And then this is going to be 6. So will it make sense, right? So b is 3, this will become 3. So 3a square will become 3. So a square will become 1, or a will become 1. So if a becomes 1, does it make sense? So it makes sense. So our number has come as a plus root b, which is 1 plus root 3. So 1 plus root 3 is this cube root, and this is minus 1. So minus 1 cancels out. So I get a root 3 number. So it is an irrational number. Okay.